starting now. Okay, this is the Model 3 key. Comes in a package. Unboxing video of the Model 3 key. Comes with a small box. Nothing in there. Reminds me of the Armani perfume. It has the Model 3 logo on top. There you go. A little hard to... Oh wow. It's pretty light. It has 2 batteries. It's very light. I'll have to figure out how to open it though. Pretty hard for me in the first attempt, but I'll figure it out eventually. Let's see what all other things come with the box. Nothing else inside the box. Model 3 key fob, black Model 3 key fob. I'm sure they might come up with different colors. Here it is compared to the key card.